Imran, this wicket, by the look of it, looks to be an absolute beauty.
A perfect batting wicket, different to most of the wickets we've seen so far. It's a firm wicket, the ball will go through, it will swing a bit, but for the batsman, once the batsman gets in, it's a wicket full of runs.
But these overcast conditions, will the ball swing a little longer than normal?
Absolutely, Ravi, because of these conditions and the damp outfield. There's a lot of moisture around. The ball should swing all the time. I think it'll swing throughout the match. Perhaps once it gets old, it won't swing as much, but the new ball in the first 10-12 overs, you'll see the ball swinging.
This Lahore wicket normally has a shiny look to it, even today. So will there be any help for the spinners?
Perhaps a leg spinner, but not as much as you've seen in the tournament, because during this entire tournament, especially matches in India, there's been a lot of spin. On this wicket, there won't be that much spin. Shane Warne might spin it because he's a leg spinner and there's not much grass on the wicket, but the finger spinners won't get anything. It'll skid straight through.
And one big question, this is the first ever match to be played under lights in Lahore. So what would it be like batting or fielding in the evening?
It depends on the conditions. If the cloud cover remains, there probably won't be much difference in the playing conditions from now till the evening. But if the cloud cover lifts, there will be a lot of dew on this wicket, and then it'll make perhaps batting difficult. It might make bowling difficult too, because the ball will get wet and soft. But batting too will be difficult because the ball is going to seam, it'll skid through. Maybe even spinners might be able to grip the ball, but then depends on the condition of the ball itself. It might get too wet.
Well, Imran, if you were the captain, what would you do? Bat or bowl?
Oh, without any hesitation, I would bat, make use of this dry, firm wicket. I know the ball will swing for the first 12 overs. I would take my chances. Once I put a total on this wicket, I think, in the evening, it's always more helpful for the bowling team. And also the pressure of the final, the pressure of the crowd, of the run chase, I would definitely bat first.
Well, thank you very much, Imran.